Yeah. Now, I'm pretty sure you read the title and you were like, oh, well, that sounds disgusting. Well, I'm glad to tell you that there are times when you're right, and this ain't one of them. So, stay tuned to find out why savory oatmeal should be your next side dish. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. Usually when I mention savory oatmeal, faces become distorted with disgust. Like my bestie, I think it stems from the mentality that I'm taking something sweet and then making it savory, which is completely false. Think about it this way. Oats, they're a neutral grain, like rice. Ever had rice for dinner? Ever had rice pudding? Sweet, savory. Now that you understand, let's get into the recipe. Now, making this is similar to making risotto. It's like Oatsotto. Now, first we're gonna start with stock, and we have about 5 cups, maybe 5 or 6 cups of stock. And you wanna keep this hot throughout the cooking process. That is very important. Now, I have some bacon, 4 slices that I've cut up into little pieces, and I'm just gonna get this fried up until it's nice and crispy. Once it's starting to get crispy, then we're gonna add the onions, and I have 3 stalks of green onions. And we're just going to cook these until they're nice and tender. And then we're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced. We're just gonna saute these up for just about a minute. And now we're just gonna add a cup of rolled oats. And we're gonna saute these for another minute. And these are just gonna start to get toasted, which is gonna add some great flavor, as well as soak up some of that bacon fat. Now we're gonna ladle the hot stock into the oats 1 cup at a time until it's just covered. Then we're just gonna add some salt and pepper to taste. And now we're gonna allow the oats to cook and absorb the stock, stirring occasionally. As a good amount of the liquid is absorbed, then you just add more stock a little bit at a time until all the 5 cups are added. And then we're gonna add the parsley, just about a tablespoon or 2, and mix well. Now, once the liquid is sufficiently absorbed, we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add 1/4 cup of cream, and we're gonna mix it really well. And then you just serve this hot or warm, and I like to garnish it with a poached egg and a little bit of parsley, and then you just serve up this deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And after seeing this video, comment below your thoughts on savory oatmeal and any kind of combinations that you would like to come up with. You can connect with any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.